Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Rachel. I'm a biomedical science and pre-med student, and today I'm going to be trying out wispy bangs and cutting them myself. The last time I had bangs was when I was back in preschool, and ever since then, I've come back and revisited the idea every so often, but never pulled through with it. So today is the day I'm going to be trying something new in the spirit of experimenting. We're just going to see how it turns out. I watched a couple video tutorials of how to cut bangs yourself on YouTube, so we'll see. I was feeling adventurous today, so I might regret this, but it's okay. And honestly, you never know unless you try. Some people with really nice bangs that I look to for inspiration is Lisa from Blackpink. She has really cute bangs, and that's like sort of her thing. Of course, the facial features and facial shape isn't the same. It might not necessarily look good on me, but I'm gonna try it because it's the summer, so if it doesn't turn out well, I have time to grow out my hair before school starts again. The biggest thing that held me back from trying bangs again is the fact that my face is like super round, so bangs could potentially make it longer and make me look even younger than how I look now. But I'm gonna be trying the wispy bangs, so they're not the straight up fringe. It'll be a more gradual change instead of diving headfirst into thicker bangs. So let's jump right into it. Starting off, you want to get a triangle like in the middle. I'm completely not certified to do this, so this is gonna be interesting. Yeah, let's just go for it. This is so scary. Okay, we're gonna start off a little like this. I'm scared. Okay. Okay, that was my hair. Okay, so yeah, I cut it for now. Ew, that's weird holding your hair like that. Okay. Did I cut too much? This looks funny right now. Wait, so actually, this is interesting. And honestly, I could just flick it to the side and you wouldn't even know, right? Yeah. I wonder if I just wet it and curl it or something, if they'll stay together, because it's supposed to stay together, right? Honestly, it's kind of cute. So if I just like brush it down the side, then I have it like that. It's probably gonna give me problems later with the humidity, but honestly, it's not bad. Am I Lisa now? It's probably gonna look cuter if I tie my hair up. I might have to cut it. So we're gonna count that as a success, relatively. I'll have to get some curlers so that these are... What's that noise? Okay. I'll have to get some curlers so that these are more curly and uplifted. And also, I always part my hair down the middle, so they're just naturally separating like this. But I think after a while of putting them together, it'll be able to stay in a fringe. Okay. Yeah. If you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be more goofy and MCAT related videos coming up, so make sure that you don't miss it. Hit that notification bell to stay updated for more goofy videos like this, as well as lots of educational MCAT and study tip videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!